All right, for this exercise, you're gonna need a foam roller and you're going to need a yoga block or a small ball or a pillow that you can put between your knees, okay? So we're gonna start with the foam roller going perpendicular to our body, and then we're gonna take our foam yoga block here or a small ball, and we're gonna put it right here between our knees. Then we're just going to lie back over the foam roller, and you can see right now the foam roller is right in the arch of my lower back, which is not where we want it. Okay, we want the foam roller on our sacrum. So we're just gonna roll that down so that it's right there on our sacrum. And as soon as we put the foam roller right there on our sacrum, you should feel a little bit of a contraction in your deep core, in your lower abs. This is called your transverse abdominis muscle. So for this exercise, it's a very simple exercise, but it's the big key for it is that we always want to connect our breath to the movement. Okay, so we're going to take a deep breath in, and then as we exhale, we're going to bring our knees up towards our chest. So take a deep breath in, and then as we exhale, we're bringing those knees up to our chest and then back down. Now the key here is to gently put a little bit of a squeeze on the yoga block, because we're really trying to engage our lower transversus abdominis. And what we want to avoid is that stomach pooching out. So if I don't have good control, okay, you can see my stomach is pooching out, okay? But what we want is to connect our breath to the movement and really engage those lower abs so that this lower part of our abdominal muscles stays flat as we bring that yoga block up on the inhale, on the exhale, and then inhale on the way down. So you can see, I like to put my hands here to make sure that I'm not pooching. Exhale on the way up, and then inhale on the way down. You might see a little pooch with me because I'm talking instead of bracing this movement. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking here for a second. You can inhale, and then exhale as the knees come up, and then inhale on the way back down. Okay, so as you exhale, you should really feel that lower deep core engage, bringing your rib cage down and your pelvis bone together.